Hello angels, how are you? Today I will tell you a story about Ganpati. Parvati, the wife of Lord Shiva, was getting ready for her bath and needed someone to guard her washroom, the chamber. Therefore, she made a beautiful young boy from the sandalwood from her body. She gave him life by sprinkling the holy Ganges water on him and entrusted him with guarding the door. While she was away, Lord Shiva returned and was surprised to find a little boy standing at the entrance to his wife's chamber. When he tried to enter, the boy blocked his path. "Who are you and why are you blocking my path?" demanded Lord Shiva. "No one enters my mother's chamber," declared the boy boldly. Taken aback, Lord Shiva replied, "Step away. I have the right to enter my wife's chamber." But the young and the courageous boy did not move but stood his ground. Not knowing that this was his own son, Lord Shiva, who was quick to anger, enraged now, using to be disobeyed, he cut off the boy's head. Goddess Parvati, on returning from her bath, saw her son lying dead and was overcome with grief. She was filled with both anger and sorrow. Seeing this, Lord Shiva sent his soldiers to fetch the head of the first beast that they saw. The men rushed and finally came upon an elephant. They immediately took the head of Lord Shiva, who quickly attached it onto the body of the boy and gave him life once again. To further appease his grief-stricken wife, he promised that his son would be worshipped first before all other gods. Even today, at the entrance of all temples, one would find the idol of elephant-headed god Ganesha. So let's chant for Lord Ganesha. Lal phool, peele phool, Ganpati Bappa beautiful. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Ganpati Bappa superstar. Now the excitement is for the 10-day long festival which begins weeks before Ganesh Chaturthi, with several people making the idols of Lord Ganesha and painting them. There is more consciousness in terms of organic choices now. So twinkle, twinkle, little star, Ganpati Bappa. Ganpati Bappa superstar. And it is time for us to sleep now. And you know what Ganpati is fond of? Ganpati is fond of eating lots of sweets. He is fond of eating modak, shrikhand, payasam, coconut rice, motichur laddus and other sweets. And devotees, they throng to temples and special pandals they set up for Ganesh Chaturthi to pay their respects to Lord Ganesha. People sometimes choose to bring Ganpati home ahead of the festival and host him for 10 days. On the 10th day, Lord Ganesha's statue is immersed in water and it is said to be Ganpati Visarjan. And people chant Ganpati Bappa Moria, paying respect to him as it is seen of taking all our worries away and leaving blessings behind. Now it is time for us to sleep. So let's remember God, hug God and sleep nicely. And let's see what Uditi Arora has to say about her connection with God. So let's hear Uditi Arora with a short and sweet meditation.
ओम शांति। चलो चले बाबा के पास, देखो हम सब परम धाम जा रहे हैं बाबा के पास, एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर शांति ही शांति है। और फिर हम परम धाम पहुँच गए। सबसे पहले जब हम परम धाम पहुँचे, बाबा ने हमें ओम शांति कहा। फिर हमने भी बाबा को ओम शांति कहा। फिर बाबा ने कहा, चलो आज मैं तुम लोगों को घुमाने ले जाता हूँ। बाबा ने एक मोर पंख को बुलाया। वो मोर पंख उड़ता 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 आया और बाबा ने कहा, इस पे तुम सब अपना हाथ रखो। जैसे ही हम सब ने उस पे हाथ रखा अपना, तो वो एक पीकॉक में बदल गया। उसके बाद हम उस पे बैठ के कहीं घूमने गए। सबसे पहले बाबा हमें स्टूडियो में ले गए। उन्होंने हमें बहुत लोगों की फोटोज दिखाई और फिर हमें स्टूडियो के कैफ़े में बाबा ले गए। उसके बाद वहाँ पर हमने इतनी सारी टेस्टी चीज़ें खाई। उसके बाद फिर